Hello, welcome to Learning Planet. As we all know that English is how much important. Why? Because it's a global language and need of time. So if you want to learn English from scratch, this is the right channel for you. So this channel you will get to learn English from basics to advanced level with very easy methods. We'll start with the grammar and also I'll help you in building your vocabulary and improve your pronunciation with the help of daily dose of conversation and activities. Also, I'll help you to improve in all the 4 modules: reading, writing, listening and speaking, so that you can achieve your goal of English speaking. Before we start, make sure you have subscribed my channel Learning Planet. Also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss my next video. Let's start. So, what is sentence? An ordinary conversation between 2 or more people consists of sentences that enables them to communicate their ideas to each other. Therefore, it's very important to understand what is sentence, its types, and its components. Whenever we speak or write, we use words or group of words. जब भी हम बातचीत करते हैं, हम या कुछ लिखते हैं, तो हम कुछ शब्द यूज करते हैं. उन शब्दों के जोड़ को हम लोग सेंटेंस कहते हैं. Collective form of those group of words called sentence, which make complete sense. So, sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Couple of examples we have. She's a brave girl. I'm studying in St. Lawrence High. My brother is good in mathematics. Aryan is playing football in the ground. The book is on the table. These all are sentences and they all have their complete sense. Alright, so a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Next we have types of sentences. We have 4 types of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and imperative sentences. Assertive sentences क्या होते हैं? Those which make statement or assertion. An assertive sentence says or states something either positive or negative. Examples: the boy is watching movie on his laptop. It's a positive sentence. Riddhi is not playing chess. It's a negative sentences, but they are stating something. So these are assertive sentences. Second type is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those which ask questions. So any question is an interrogative sentence. जिसके साथ भी question tag लगा हुआ है वो interrogative sentence होता है. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? Do you speak English? क्या आपको English आती है? Question tag है. That means these are interrogative sentences. So our third type is exclamatory sentences. Those which express strong feeling. An exclamatory sentence shows emotions. जिसके अंदर कुछ emotion छिपा होता है. It always ends an exclamation mark. Couple of examples we do have. Wow, what a beautiful flower. What a horrible building. इनके साथ में exclamation sign लगा हुआ है तो ये exclamatory sentences हैं. Fourth and last type is imperative sentences, those which express command or request. An imperative sentences has a command or a request. Examples: switch on the light please, get out of the room. या तो वो request होगी या फिर वो एक command होगी. तो जो भी command और request है वो imperative sentences है. Next we have components of a sentence. Every sentence consists of two components. One is subject and the other one is predicate. When we make sentence, we must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that particular subject. So, what is subject? A subject is a doer, a person or an object of an action. Subject are either noun or pronoun. Example we have, Ruhan is running in the ground. In this sentence, Ruhan is the subject जिसके बारे में बातचीत हो रही है. Alright. Our second component is predicate. Predicate क्या होता है? जिस particular subject के बारे में कुछ बातचीत हो रही है. Predicate consists of all the other words except of the doer of an action. बस एक subject को छोड़ के बाकी सारा सेंटेंस हमारा प्रेडिकेट रहता है. रूहान इज रनिंग इन द ग्राउंड. इन दिस सेंटेंस, इन रनिंग इन द ग्राउंड इज द प्रेडिकेट. रूहान के बारे में बात हो रही है, रूहान सब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन बातचीत जो हो रही है वो सारा प्रेडिकेट आता है. दैट इज द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. Oh wow, time to practice now. How will you practice? You can create sentences of each type and you can separate subject and predicate out of them as well as the below mentioned sentences. You will definitely find the link of these sentences in my description. Good luck. So the time of daily dose of conversation now. You can write down all the sentences in your notebook and use it in your daily conversation. Yes, you can repeat each sentence again and again and again. Also, you can improve your speaking skills by practicing while conversing with your friends, your family members, and with yourself. Yes, with yourself while standing in front of mirror. Yes, you can speak and you can practice with yourself. So, start practicing today and try to think in English from today only. Instead of your native language, start thinking in English. Here is one more conversation for practice. Here we have a story for you to improve your reading skills also. And also you will find a lot of vocabulary words in this interesting story. Don't be disheartened, you will definitely find the link in my description. Now, time to add more words in your vocabulary. You can write it down in your notebook and create sentences and start practicing while using in your daily conversation. And finally, this is all about today's topic. If you find it helpful, please like and share my video with your connections. Also subscribe my channel Learning Planet and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss my next video. Bye bye. Happy learning.